Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Elle, and good morning, Bodhi.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
All right, how you guys doing this morning?
Good.
Good.
We got a brand new flag from a third grader. Check this out. This is from Matilda in the third grade.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, big shout out to her. She did a wonderful job on that flag. Thank you,
Great.
Matilda. Elle, can you lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance this morning?
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, for one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, thank you, Elle, and a big shout out to Matilda in the third grade for that wonderful flag. Happy Thursday, everybody. Today is May 27th. We're expecting a high of 77 degrees, just like yesterday, Wednesday. The weather is pretty much going to be identical. So nice weather we're experiencing. Now, guys, we've been celebrating Student Council Spirit Week. Can you remind us, please, Bodhi, what is the theme for today, Thursday, May 27th?
So today's theme is Thoughtful Thursday. Write a friendly letter or postcard saying hello to a friend or supporting a cause.
Okay, great thing to do. A thoughtful Thursday. And Elle, remind everybody what's coming up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, May 28th, Rainbow Day. Wear all the colors of the rainbow.
Okay, so start planning accordingly now. Guys, we've been saying goodbye to some staff members for the last few days. These are staff members who will not be returning to us in August when we come back. We have another teacher, believe it or not, another teacher who is leaving us. Let's bring her in now. Good morning, Mrs. Spector. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you for having me.
Hey, thank you for getting up early this morning. It is a pleasure to see you. I was just telling Elle and Bodhi that we've been spotlighting staff members who will not be returning in the fall. You have, for the past 42 years, been starting off every fall as a classroom teacher.
Yes.
And this coming August, when we return, you won't have to get up early. You won't have a classroom to worry about because you are retiring. How does that feel?
It feels good, but I'm a little, it's a little nerve-wracking too, because I'm so used to coming to school and seeing everybody. But
You're going to need a new routine.
I will. I'll get a new routine.
Very good. We've got a couple questions for you this morning. Elle
Great.
or Bodhi, who's got the first question?
Elle.
I think I do.
Okay.
How has Carpenter changed when you started teaching here to now?
Well, Carpenter's changed in many ways over the past 30 years. My first principal was Joan Marks, and she was amazing and had a vision for our school. And I learned how to use a computer at our school. I never had one before when I was teaching first grade, and a first grader showed me how to use it. We had a small parent group and no enrichment classes back then.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Imagine no enrichment classes, no PE, no science class, no music class.
Oh.
Wow. So that is a big difference for sure. You hear that, Bodhi? No music when she first started teaching.
Mrs. Spector, do you have any favorite moments of the past few years you'd like to share?
My favorite memories are, I remember parents and teachers painting my classroom, all of our Halloween carnivals, dinner dances, and the movie nights. And I especially remember doing yoga with the staff on Friday afternoons. I taught first grade, kindergarten, and TK at Carpenter, half day. There used to be half day classes, full day, hybrid, online and in person, and now through a pandemic.
You have done it all.
I have done a lot.
Wow. You have another question there, Elle?
Mrs. Spector, I am grateful that you were my first teacher when I came to Carpenter. You were the one who welcomed me and introduced me to school. I am wondering if you have any final thoughts you'd like to share with our school community.
Yes, well, Elle, you were one of my first TK students, and it's so nice to be on here with you today. I've loved being part of the Carpenter family and working with the talented parents, students, teachers, and administrators like Mr. Martinez and Mrs. Hong. I've celebrated major life events, good and bad, with the support of my Carpenter family, especially with my kinder team. They are the best. I've made lifelong friendships and I've taught with wonderful students over the years, including my TK class this year. And they brighten my days. I love the energy and spirit at Carpenter. It's been the best place to work and teach in the district. My life is richer and better for being a teacher at Carpenter Community Charter. Every day I get to decide to make it a great day or not. The choice is mine. So thank you so much. And it was really fun coming on here today.
Mrs. Spector, congratulations on your 42 years of being a classroom teacher. You've inspired me. You've inspired all your colleagues at our school. You've inspired generations of children as well. We wish you nothing but the best in your retirement in this next chapter that you're about to begin. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can handle too many more of these saying goodbyes, guys. This is too much. Listen, we have been celebrating Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month all month. And I've got a brand new video today, and I'm embarrassed because I've never eaten something called pho. Has anybody here eaten pho? Oh, Elle, you pho. What is it? What is it?
POH, pho?
Yeah, is it pho? Yeah, pho.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love it. It's so great.
Okay, so I've never eaten it. Mrs. Spector, have you ever had it?
No, I haven't either. I got to go get some.
Okay, well, our video today is from the Lorimer family. They have Vietnamese roots.
Yeah, okay.
And they sent in this video. Let's watch this and watch how delicious this looks. Here we go.
So, Cindy Lorimer, with this being Multicultural Week at Carpenter, and you are indeed Vietnamese.
I immigrated from Vietnam to here. I escaped because of the Vietnam War.
Okay.
And we came here in 78 via boat to Malaysia and then came here, flew here to Los Angeles.
All right, very good. This is traditional Vietnamese cooking. Can you please tell the people out there watching what exactly you're making?
Right, so I'm making pho, which is a staple of Vietnamese cooking. And this is what we're known for. So this is beef pho with beef balls. My kids love this. They ask for it every weekend. So here it is.
Okay, and so just so some people watching this, they might think it's pronounced pho. It's P-H-O. This is a live recording. We are live. There's real stuff going on like dogs.
It's pronounced pho.
Far, like far, far away.
Pho.
Okay, very good. All right, so what are the ingredients?
This is the pho rice noodles with onions and slices of beef. My kids like to eat it with beef balls, and I like to throw in a few vegetables in there in hopes that they eat it.
Very good. What you can't smell, viewers, is you smell all the various herbs and the very rich, kind of exotic Southeast Asian aroma that's just kind of billowing from this homemade pot of pho.
Okay, and then what we do is we like to eat it with all these herbs. Basil is a must in pho, so I throw a few in there. And then this is called culantro. And then I like to add bean sprouts, a must. So here you go, so you can see. If only you can smell it.
Oh, it smells so good. You gonna taste it?
Yeah. So yummy. Star anise, cinnamon, all these amazing spices. Really yummy.
Bravo. Thank you very much for sharing your cooking experience with us, the audience.
Bye, Carpenter kids and family.
Wow, that is the Lorimer family. And I am totally going to get myself a big bowl of pho. How about you, Mrs. Spector?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Absolutely. So big shout out to them. Thank you for teaching us all about it. Elle, you've had it before. What do you say?
It is one of my favorite foods. I've had it so many times before.
Okay, well, I can't wait to try. Bodhi, it's time for Guess Bodhi's year-long songs. Ladies, mute your microphones. Bodhi, take it away. Work, Bodhi. That is definitely a current song. Elle, did you recognize that? Oh, you're muted, Elle. You're muted.
I did, but I don't know what it's called.
I can't say the title, Mrs. Spector. If you say it, I will flip out right now. I swear.
I don't remember. I don't know it. Let's hear it, Bodhi.
Bodhi, tell us, what song was that?
It's called Sunflower.
Yes, Sunflower from the Spider-Man movie.
Yeah.
Very good.
So yeah, it's called Sunflower, and it's from the film soundtrack of the popular 2018 film Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. The song features vocals by American rappers Post Malone and Sway Lee. The song appears during the beginning of the film, where the protagonist, Miles Morales, is doodling on a canvas while listening to the song. It was also featured in Post Malone's most recent studio album at the time. It's appropriately named Hollywood's Bleeding. The song was nominated for multiple awards, such as Record of the Year and Best Pop Duo of the Year. And that's all.
All right, Sunflower. I knew that. Sunflower. That's that popular part. Thank you so much, Bodhi, as always. Guys, it's time for the words of wisdom. Bodhi, lead us off.
Yeah, so it's nice to know that others believe in us and that they know that we have the ability to succeed. But what about the other side of the coin? We need to believe in ourselves, right?
General Douglas MacArthur was a man who believed in himself and became a great American hero during World War II. Now listen to what his mom said to him when he was a young boy.
You must believe in yourself or no one else will believe in you. Be self-confident, self-reliant, and even if you don't make it, you will know that you have done your best.
Sounds like his mom gave him some good advice. It also sounds like he listened. Today and every day, believe in yourself and do the very best you can.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Elle.
And Bodhi.
And Mrs. Spector.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Mrs. Spector, any final shout outs?
Just shout outs to my class and to our whole school. I just, love where I work and I'm so lucky. Thank you.
And we love you right back. Elle, Bodhi, have a great day of school. We'll see everybody tomorrow with Luca. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.